All right, I'm back on this hybrid vehicle, the one that after a couple videos started having the battery problem. Went to get something to eat. I'm still eating right now. So yeah, this battery has issues that I know. Wrong one. Wrong one. Give me DC. There we go. So I resulted to something else, and there was a reason I resulted to something else. And I need you to tell me why I resulted to something else. So what do we have here? What do I have here? And what am I doing here? So this is more like your commercial refrigeration or your residential HVAC with a long line set. And there's a reason you need this device, and you have to make sure this device is doing something when you're doing recoveries or evacuation. Now I'm giving away some of the information from a question I asked in a previous video about some problems, some particular problems with this vehicle and vehicles like it that operate. And the new Tesla Model Y has the same issue. If you go to service the air conditioning on a Tesla Model Y, you have to be able to do something. What I'm doing right here. HVAC guys, you're not allowed to answer this question. This is for the automotive guys. The HVAC guys, they all know what I'm doing. And why. That's the other thing. And don't just say what I'm doing, but answer why am I doing what I'm doing, and what does it have to do with the air conditioning. HVAC guys are not allowed because they know the answer to this. And that's it. Okay, so I'm back here. I'm going to do the recharge. I just wanted to give you a look, and I want you to see what I am doing right here, what I'm performing. And for you to come up to question, you're going to ask me what I'm doing, you're going to tell me what I'm doing, and you're going to tell me why I'm doing it. And we're down below 100 microns. Yes, we're popping up and down between 100 microns, but that's with the vacuum pump on. So I'm going to hook up for getting ready to recharge the system, and we will recharge it in the next video. All right, guys.